Surya from Backyard Garden Highlights. Hope you guys are doing great today. We had a freezing rain in Hillsborough. I thought it would be fun to share it with you guys how the freezing rain looked today. And I want to share it with you guys the beauty of frozen rain and how the frozen droplets in each of the plant looks so beautiful. It's amazing world actually today the garden is. Let me take you guys to the tour and show you how each one of the plants look with the frozen rain. This is Azalea shrub and look at how beautiful they are. Isn't it amazing, guys? And this is my maple tree and the leaves did not fall last fall, so I was enjoying them thoroughly throughout the winter. How beautiful this cherry tree is. It's a flowering cherry, doesn't provide any cherries, but it is covered with icy layer. It was really stunning to watch how these trees look in icy storm. And this is my tulips, and the sky was not just pouring the rain, it was just splashing the ice cubes. Look at how gorgeous this branch looks with the ice drops. Oh my god. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this frozen rainy garden. I'll see you in another video. Thank you for supporting my channel.